Hello everyone, welcome back to Sales Tracker. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add new contact manually and update their business details and set up greeting preferences. To get started, click on Add Contact. To get started, here you'll see two options, manual and bulk upload. We'll choose manual since this is a new entry. Here you'll see two options, manual and bulk upload. We'll choose manual because this is a new entry. Begin by entering the contact's personal details like his first name, phone number. These three are these three fields are essential for creating a contact. Next, scroll to the company information section. Now here you can add company email, GST, brand name, area, business category. Now here you can add email, company name, GST, brand name, business category, area, landmark. In the address section, enter full address, landmark, Google Map link, city, state, country, zip code, and PO box. This ensures that your field team has the correct location info. Now, under additional information section, you can add designation, channel, relationship type with this customer, nationality, language, owner name, owner contact number, tags. These tags are going to help you to segment your contacts in multiple ways, and you can put multiple tags on your contacts. At the end, you'll see this option. Would you like to send this contact greetings? You can choose both for birthday and anniversary. Birthdays only, anniversary only, and not available. Sales Tracker will automatically send greetings based on the dates you store. Once all the details are filled in, click the Save button. Your new contact is now successfully added to Sales Tracker database. I hope you learned something new today. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Happy tracking.